Hi, so do you have a crush or someone that you've been in a relationship with that you want back, or just someone that you know you would make a good match with that you want to manifest romantic love with? I want you to watch this video first before you start trying to manifest a specific person, and ask yourself 3 questions that most manifestation experts are not talking about. I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton Merrill. I'm a psychologist and I'm the owner of Conscious Life Shop. And I make weekly videos on how to create a manifestation mindset. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out when I post every Thursday. So I know it can be super frustrating and you're probably waiting impatiently as you're trying to manifest the love of this person that you know you want, whether you know them from afar, whether it's an ex that you want back, or whether that it's a friend that you want to take to a different level. But I want you to watch this video first to learn if you should actually be trying to manifest this specific person using 3 questions. I am someone who has manifested my husband and my baby, so I know all about manifesting love, and I've helped other people manifest love as well in my program, Dream Life Academy. So I want to share specific tips and questions to get you thinking about some things that many manifestation experts aren't talking about, but are important considerations before you start that whole manifesting process to attract that specific person. So stay tuned. The first thing I want you to ask yourself is, am I doing this for the right reasons? So, are you trying to manifest this person because you think this specific person is going to make you happy, or you need this person to be happy, or that they're the only person out there that's really for you? Those might be some indications that you might not be doing these things, manifesting this specific person for the right reason. You can be happy all by yourself, and you don't need anyone to come into your life and to fill a void. Partners or romantic partners are something that complements our lives, that amps up our vibration, and we grow with them. Nobody is perfect. So if you think it's going to be this perfect person that's going to make your life all better, you might want to consider working on yourself first, or just being more general when it comes to manifesting love, so you can know that your happiness isn't dependent on this quote-unquote perfect person. The second question I want you to ask yourself when you're trying to manifest a specific person is, ask yourself, why hasn't this happened organically? So if it's someone like in your class or a coworker, why hasn't that person approached you? Or why haven't you flirted with them already? What's stopping you? What's stopping them? Why hasn't this romantic attraction already started to spark itself without you focusing so much on specifically manifesting this specific person? Because what I know about love is it flows organically, and when we try to force things, there might be something under the surface. Not always, but it's an important question to ask yourself. Like, why hasn't this happened organically? And if it's someone like an ex, maybe they need their space before they're ready to come back to you. Maybe you need to ask yourself, are you respecting their boundaries? If it's a person that you kind of have a situationship with and you're wanting them to finally commit to you, why haven't they already committed? Are you searching for love in the wrong places from people that can't give you what you need? Is it maybe time to back off a little bit and ask yourself, why hasn't this already happened? And I'm not saying it hasn't happened for a specific reason, but it's important to investigate. And that leads me to my last question that I think you should ask yourself before trying to manifest a specific person. Before we dive into this last tip, I just want to let you guys know about my free live webinar trainings this coming January, where I'll be diving deep into how to manifest your dream life, how to go from wishing to attracting. They're limited spots, so I don't want you guys to miss out. So click the link in the description below to register. Which is to ask yourself, would it be better to just focus on manifesting romantic, healthy love in general, rather than focusing on manifesting this specific person. Because sometimes when we're too specific with our manifestations, then we actually repel them if they cause negative emotion. So lots of people say be very, very specific as you can when you're trying to manifest. But the truth is you should only be as specific as it feels good. So if it feels good and you're feeling positive about trying to manifest this specific person, sorry, I'm pregnant, so I'm out of breath a lot and I just ran down the stairs. But if it feels good to think about manifesting this specific person, you don't feel any worry, any self-doubt, any low self-esteem, any type of negative emotions, go ahead and stay focused on manifesting this specific person. But if you're feeling any resistance, which is just negative emotions, like some of the ones I just mentioned, then back off a little bit and be more general, because you don't want to repel what you actually want, which is true healthy love, healthy romantic partnership. So if that's what you truly want in your life, and being too specific is causing you some resistance, then just back off a little bit and you focus manifesting healthy love in general, and you'll attract that love much faster. So those are my tips on what you should ask yourself before you actually try to manifest a specific person. If you want to know more tips on manifestation, specifically on how to make it all work in your daily routine, I have a free daily routine guide that makes all this stuff habit that you don't even have to think about, which I will link in the description below. Also, give me a follow on Instagram. It's @_Tiffany Shelton. I'm constantly on Instagram. I'm a lot more reactive, so if you have questions you want to DM me about manifestation, I'm much faster to respond than in the comments here. So let's connect over there as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, namaste.